Do you want to know how you can log into your Cardinal Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Cardinal Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar and search for Cardinal Payroll Login. Click on this second link which is over here. And then it will take you to the official login portal of Cardinal. Go ahead and write down your Cardinal username on here and then write down your password in the second box. After you write down your password, click on this icon and then check your password once again. Then go ahead and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Cardinal Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to follow through. If you are new to this and want to create an account for yourself, go ahead and click user registration which is over here. So guys, this is how you log into your Cardinal Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.